Hey guys, so we are on the finish line of this Linea Park quests, and as you can see, we have new quests, which seems like there will be a lot of NFTs that we will have to mint. But the best part is that if you haven't even started these quests, you can start them right now and finish them all. And the best part is that Linea recently introduced the Ethereum blobs that reduced the gas fees like 100 times, which means that Linea gas fees right now are 100 times cheaper and will cost around 1 cent or even less than that. And as you can see, I have spent around $50 on the gas, mainly on this Linea Park, just minting and finishing the quests. So if you haven't started, I would recommend you to start because you will save $50. Unlike me, I started this early, like a month ago. So if you are starting only now, you will pay less and you have chance to do all of these tasks. The link will be in my bio for this Linea Park quests, so check it out. And yeah, I want to remind you that Linea basically raised around $700 million. The airdrop will be much bigger than the wormholes airdrop, which was huge as well. And one more thing about the Linea upcoming airdrop is that you have to do this proof of humanity. You basically have to complete one group A attestation and two group B attestations, which are quite easy. So my recommendation is definitely do these tasks for the airdrop. You will probably reach around 1000 points when you do all of these. Some of these I couldn't do because they are just laggy or I just couldn't do it. But at the end, you will probably get around 1000 points. And again, this will be one of the biggest airdrops in the 2024, if not the biggest one. So definitely do these quests. The link is in my description. Thanks for watching. And if you don't want to miss on any valuable crypto airdrop alpha, press that subscribe, press that notification bell. So every time I upload, you get that notification instantly. And thanks for watching and see you in the next video.